Gabriel, what was the big idea in our story, the plot, that you want everyone to know, the main event? First, and then I'll just put AA, and then I'll put like an arrow going up, like into space. Now, over here, I have Mae Jemison, space astronaut, was about a woman who was the first woman, African-American to go up into space. What's another way to say woman? What's another way to say woman?
Female?
Female? Who said that? Who? All right, I'm not going to have the redundant police come and arrest me now. Thank you, sir. I don't want to be taken away. All right, let's practice now with our quick summary. Are we ready?
Yes.
Okay. The author, Gail Sakurai, wrote Mae Jemison, space astronaut, about a woman who was the first female African-American to travel, or astronaut in space. Tell the people at your table your quick summary. Go. All right, are we ready? Let's go back and let's say it. Here we go. I'm going to pick different people. Here we go. Hawaii.
Gail Sakurai, Mae Jemison, space astronaut.
The author, go ahead, say it again. The author.
The author, Gail Sakurai, Mae Jemison, space scientist, was about a woman that was the first African American female in space.
Excellent. Let's go back and let's do this. Ready? Go. The author, Gail Sakurai, wrote Mae Jemison, space scientist, about a woman who was the first female African American to
Orbit the Earth. Orbit the Earth. Wait, how much you did orbit the Earth?
Is that good? Should we say that?
Yeah.
Ooh, let's all look at them and say, wow. Wow. Okay. Now, we're going to go on to our next part. That's good. Love it. All right, let's go to, we have our quick summary, so now we're going to our opinion. All right, now my opinion could be about, don't write this down, I'm just going to show you. I could have an opinion about the character. I have an opinion about the theme. I could have an opinion about the setting, about the plot, and the theme or lesson or moral of the story. You've got it. So now, I'm going to show you something, okay? For my opinion, because you are in 5th grade, we're going to make this more of an advanced opinion. I'm going to stick with the theme right now. Now let me show you what the theme is. The theme is actually going to, I'm going to use these 3 circles to show you what a theme is, all right? Now, when an author, I want you to picture this. When an author writes a story, here's a character at the beginning of the story, and they're going through a story, and here they are at the end. Usually, is a character at the beginning of the story the same at the end, or usually have they changed? They've changed. And when they've changed in the story, all right, it's because of the events in the story. They've gone through different things, and they've changed because of those experiences. So, when we have a theme, the author is taking what they went through in the story, and they are revealing the theme through the character's actions in those events in the story. So let me show you what I mean. If a character, so here's a character, they go through a story, our theme is why they behave that way or what's the effect of that. So let me show you what I mean. If I'm saying one of the themes, the messages that the author wanted to reveal in this story about the actions of Mae Jemison, I'm going to say one of the themes in the story is perseverance. And perseverance is, I have to first take the character. Now, do I say Mae Jemison when I explain perseverance? No. I'm just going to say someone. So this first circle is the who. Someone. So everyone go like this. Say perseverance.
Perseverance.
Someone.
Someone.
Now we're going to go to the next box. This is their actions. This is what's going to happen to them. These are the events. They have to face obstacles. Okay? So if they face obstacles, they have to face their fear, others, nature. Oh boy, this group's already ahead of me. Technology, an illness, a sickness if they get ill. And then the effect of that is, why are they showing perseverance? When they show these, when they go through these obstacles, any of these obstacles, why does it show perseverance? Because they're willing to face those obstacles and overcome them because they will never give up. And here's the key, until they reach their goal. So, in the story, Mae Jemison faced many obstacles, but she never gave up until she reached her goal to become the So, let's go ahead and let's say what perseverance means. Ready, everyone? Say perseverance.
Perseverance.
Someone
Someone
faces many obstacles.
faces many obstacles.
Their own fear,
Their own fear,
others,
others,
nature,
nature,
technology,
technology,
an illness,
illness,
and they never give up
and they never give up
until they reach their goal.
until they reach their goal.
Tell the people at your table, what does perseverance mean? Go. Someone faces many obstacles. Their own fear, others, nature, technology, an illness, and they never give up until they reach their goal. Excellent. So now that we know what perseverance is, I'm going to ask you a question. Would that be a pretty good opinion about this story that Mae Jemison character, that she had perseverance, that the theme of the story was perseverance? Would that be a pretty good opinion? Do you think I could back that up? All right, so then I'm going to do that. My opinion of the story is, I'm just going to write this. Do you notice I'm not writing out complete sentences? Because I'm going to do that when I write. I'm just writing down my notes. The theme equals perseverance.
No, it doesn't, you don't bother us.
Now, was that the only theme or was that one of the themes? So I may say something like, in the story, one of the major themes was perseverance. You see how that is? Let's go back and read our whole introduction. Here we go. Ready, everyone? Go. The author, Gail Sakurai, wrote Mae Jemison, space scientist, about a woman who was the first female African-American to orbit around the planet Earth. In the story, one of the major themes was perseverance. Oh, I like that, perseverance. There we go. Oh, we forgot biography. All right, go back and say the whole thing on your own. Don't forget biography. Excuse me, sorry. Go. That was so good. It was so much better. Do you like that? Here we go. Ready? Let's come back. And now we have our introduction. Where are we heading now, everybody? Body. So, step 2 was we did our intro. And we needed a quick summary. We did it. We needed our opinion. We did it. Now we're going to step 3, and we're in the body. Okay. Now, ready, everybody? Everyone go, body. Body. All in the team.
All in the team.
All right. So now the team is going to help me with supporting, backing up my opinion that the theme was perseverance. Watch this, okay? You know how I told you what you're doing is what adults do, right? Okay. If I went up to my adult group where we read stories and we sit and we talk to each other, if I said, oh guys, this is what my opinion about Mae Jemison is, I have an opinion about the theme. I think the theme was perseverance. Do you know what the group does? Put their hands on their hips. Go ahead and give it to me like this. Okay?